They say fashion fades, but denim, oh, denim never dies. It only reinvents itself just like a true legend. This season, jeans aren't just something you wear to run errands. They're stepping into 2025 dressed like royalty, redefining elegance one stitch at a time. If you think jeans can't look classy, wait till you see what's about to rule every runway, closet, and coffee shop this fall. My name is Aisha, and today, we're diving into 2025 fall jeans trends you need to know. Think of it as your insider pass to the denim world's most stylish secrets. From tailored silhouettes worthy of a Vogue spread to rich, dark tones that whisper quiet luxury, this year, jeans are more sophisticated than ever. Stay till the end because the final trend, it might just change how you see jeans forever. Don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more timeless, feminine, and truly wearable style inspiration. 1. The return of the tailored denim. Let's talk about the quiet revolution happening in denim. The comeback of tailored jeans. Forget the baggy chaos and ripped rebellion of the past few years. 2025 is all about structure, shape, and sophistication. Tailored denim is like that friend who's always effortlessly polished, never trying too hard yet somehow always stealing the spotlight. It's the love child of a trouser and a jean. Fitted at the waist, clean seams, sharp lines, and just the right amount of stiffness to hold its form. Think of it as the jeans version of a tailored blazer. Smart, sleek, and powerful. This trend first made waves when brands like Celine and The Row started sending crisp, pleated denim down their runways. Minimalist yet magnetic. Even Victoria Beckham was spotted in a pair, styled with a tucked-in silk blouse and pointed heels, proving that jeans can look as elevated as office wear. You can style them with a structured blazer and loafers for that modern boss vibe, or go Parisian chic with a slim turtleneck, red lipstick, and ballet flats. For evenings, switch the top for a satin camisole and throw on gold accessories. It's quiet luxury without shouting a word. Tailored denim isn't just a trend, it's a mindset. It tells the world you value refinement, even in the most casual fabrics. So, what's your favorite way to style denim? Structured and crisp, or relaxed and lived in? Tell me below. I'd love to know. Stay tuned because the next trend is where elegance meets edge. You won't want to miss it. 2. Dark indigo revival. If denim had a royal family, dark indigo would be the queen. Timeless, graceful, and quietly powerful. This season, the washed-out blues and distressed finishes are stepping aside, making way for the deep, inky tones that whisper sophistication. The dark indigo revival isn't just a trend, it's a return to the kind of elegance we saw in the golden age of cinema. Think Audrey Hepburn in the 1960s or Carolyn Bessette Kennedy in the 90s. Women who knew that simplicity, when done right, can speak louder than sparkle. Here's the thing about dark indigo jeans. They do everything right. They slim the figure, lengthen the legs, and pair beautifully with just about anything in your closet. For a day look, wear them with a crisp white button-down and loafers. Easy, chic, and so American. Heading out for dinner, switch to a silk blouse and add a touch of gold jewelry. Want something cozy yet sophisticated? Try a chunky beige sweater and ankle boots. The dark tone instantly elevates even the simplest outfit. It's the little black dress of denim. And did you know that dark denim ages like fine wine? The more you wear it, the richer and softer it becomes. Levi Strauss himself once said that true denim tells your story with every fade and fold, and dark indigo does that with quiet charm. Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Katie Holmes have been embracing this deep hue lately, proving that trends fade, but polish never does. It's versatile, classy, and oh so slimming. What's not to love? Up next is a twist you didn't see coming, because 2025 isn't just about color, it's about texture. 3. Colored and coated jeans. Now here's where things start to get bold. Colored and coated jeans are taking center stage this fall, and they're not for the faint of heart. Imagine your classic denim, but dipped in luxury. Deep burgundy, emerald green, metallic bronze, even a touch of midnight blue shimmer. These aren't just jeans, they're statements. 2025 has turned denim into art, and suddenly, your jeans can look like something straight out of a Milan runway. This trend brings a dash of drama to everyday life. The coating gives denim that sleek, leather-like shine, perfect for anyone who loves a polished look without the stiffness of real leather. Style them with a simple white tee for that effortless model off-duty feel, or go full sophistication with a tailored blazer and kitten heels. Want to make it more glam? Pair a burgundy-coated jean with a black silk blouse and gold hoops. It's very Hailey Bieber meets Old Hollywood. And when in doubt, balance the shine with soft textures. Think cashmere, wool, or a satin scarf. These jeans catch the light in the most mesmerizing way. It's almost poetic how something as simple as denim can glow with confidence. As Yves Saint Laurent once said, "Fashions fade, style is eternal." And these coated beauties prove that point perfectly. So, what color do you think you'd dare to try this fall? Rich burgundy, shimmering bronze, or that classic jet black with a sheen? Tell me below. I'd love to see which one steals your heart. Get ready, because up next is the most graceful denim shape of the year, where comfort finally meets couture. 4. The wide leg elegance. Here it is, the denim silhouette that's stealing the spotlight this fall. The wide leg elegance. After years of skinny jeans clinging for dear life, 2025 finally said, "Let's breathe." And what a graceful exhale it's been. Wide leg jeans are back. Not sloppy, not oversized, but sculpted and draped with poise, like the kind of denim Katharine Hepburn would have worn if she walked into a Paris cafe today. The magic of the wide leg jean lies in balance. They lengthen your frame, define your waist, and move with that fluid confidence that says, "I know who I am." Pair them with a tucked-in turtleneck and a long camel coat for that rich, minimalist vibe. Want something feminine? Try a silk blouse and pointed heels. The contrast of soft and structured is pure elegance. For casual days, throw on a fitted knit top, loafers, and a slim belt. It's that effortlessly put-together energy French women seem to master in their sleep. And here's a style secret. Wide leg jeans make everyone look taller. Seriously. When paired with heeled boots or even sleek sneakers, they create a long, continuous line that visually elongates the legs. Fashion editors swear by this trick. It's the oldest illusion in the style book, but it works every single time. This silhouette has history, too. Back in the 1940s, women wore wide-leg trousers as a symbol of independence. Fast forward to today, and they represent confidence, grace without restriction. In the words of Diane Keaton, style is knowing who you are, what you want to say, and not giving a damn. And wide-leg denim says exactly that, with a whisper, not a shout. Because next, we're talking about a trend that's playful, polished, and full of personality. You'll want to cuff your jeans after hearing this one. 5. The denim on denim renaissance. And now, we arrive at the grand finale, the denim on denim renaissance. Yes, it's back, and it's more refined than ever. Once mocked as the infamous Canadian tuxedo, this look has risen from fashion exile to claim its throne in 2025. But don't picture Britney and Justin's 2001 red carpet moment just yet. This time, denim on denim has matured into a masterpiece of tone, tailoring, and texture. Think of it as denim's most elegant evolution. Matching or layered pieces in varying shades of blue, gray, or even soft white, worn with confidence and restraint. Fashion houses like Balmain and Louis Vuitton have turned this look into a symbol of quiet power, and modern icons like Gigi Hadid and Rosie Huntington-Whiteley are proving that double denim can look as polished as a tailored suit when styled right. The secret? Contrast and composition. Pair a light wash shirt with deep indigo jeans for depth, or wear a cropped denim jacket with high-waisted trousers for balance. You can even mix textures. A structured jacket with relaxed jeans, or a silky denim blouse tucked into coated denim. Add gold jewelry, pointed heels, or even a belt to break it up. And suddenly, what was once too much becomes effortlessly sophisticated. So, are you brave enough to go all denim this fall? Would you dare to wear denim head to toe with elegance? Because elegance, my dear, isn't about blending in. It's about wearing history, confidence, and modern grace, all stitched into one timeless fabric. Which of these jeans trends are you most excited to try this fall? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know your pick. Don't forget to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more timeless fashion inspiration, where every detail, even denim, is a lesson in style.